Hi, welcome to Perfect for Mom Recipes. I'm going to show you how to make the best guilty mom's Dora cake. And of course, the perfect way to be the perfect mother. First things first, you'll need and 17 tablespoons of unsolicited advice such as, how can you raise a child while working? How can you leave your child in daycare? What if your child takes the first step when you're away? And so on. Add all the ingredients to a bowl and whisk till you get a smooth batter. With every whisk, remember how tough it is to manage your career alongside motherhood, and yet, you do it so wonderfully every day. Add more milk for better consistency. And for better consistency in your life, get rid of that working mom guilt. Heat a pan on medium flame and start cooking your pancakes. And now, watch these pancakes rise. Much like all of us mothers, working or not, rising to every challenge. After your pancakes have cooled off, start filling them up with the good things. Now sandwich the pancakes and garnish with powdered sugar. Remember to ungarnish those pesky parenting officers from your life who make you feel like you're not doing enough. Trust me, you are. Stay as guilt-free as these pancakes. Happy Mother's Day.